Welcome to this complete, step-by-step tutorial on Integrately. If you are spending hours every week manually copying data from one app to another, like downloading leads from Facebook and typing them into your email software, or copying invoice details into Google Sheets, you are losing valuable time. Integrately is an automation platform that acts like a digital bridge between all the different software you use every day. It allows your apps to talk to each other and pass information back and forth automatically, with zero coding required. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to set up your own automations, connect your favorite apps, and even build advanced multi-step workflows. Let's dive right in. When you are ready to build, Integrately gives you 3 different ways to create your workflow, depending on how fast you want to move. Before we click anything, we need to understand the 2 building blocks of every single automation: triggers and actions. Think of a trigger as the spark. It's the event that kicks everything off. For example, when a new lead fills out my form. The action is what you want to happen because of that trigger. For example, send a welcome email. Every automation is simply a trigger followed by one or more actions. Method number 1, the AI Automation Builder. This is the fastest way to get started. Right at the top of the dashboard, you'll see a prompt box. You can literally just type what you want in plain English. For example, if you type, "When I get a new Stripe payment," add a row in Google Sheets and send a message in Slack, the AI will instantly interpret that and build the exact workflow framework for you. Method number 2, ready-to-use automations. If you aren't sure exactly what you want, you can simply select the apps you use. Let's click on Gmail and Sheets. Integrately instantly searches its library of millions of pre-built workflows and gives you a list of one-click automations. You just find the one that says create a spreadsheet from a new Gmail email, click Activate, and you are 90% done. Method number 3, custom automations. Once you have selected your trigger and action, you have to introduce your apps to Integrately. You need to grant permission so Integrately can securely read and write data on your behalf. There are 3 main ways Integrately handles this. The most common is OAuth, which is just a fancy term for a standard login. You'll click Connect. A window will pop up asking you to log into your Google or Microsoft account, and you just click Allow. The second method is using an API key. Some apps, like MailChimp or certain CRMs, require you to go into their settings, generate a long string of random letters and numbers called an API key, and paste it into Integrately. This acts as a secret password. The third method is webhooks. If you are using a custom-built app or a tool that Integrately doesn't natively support yet, Integrately will give you a unique URL. You just paste that URL into your app, and whenever an event happens, your app will shoot the data over to that URL, triggering your automation. Now, first, Integrately gives you a unique, private link called a webhook URL. Think of this like a digital mailbox. Second, you copy that link and paste it into your website's payment gateway. Finally, the magic happens. The moment a customer buys a product, your website instantly pushes that customer's info directly into Integrately's digital mailbox. Integrately catches it immediately and sends it right over to your email list. No waiting, no constant checking. Webhooks are the invisible text messages keeping your favorite apps talking in real time. Now we arrive at the most crucial step in the whole process: mapping your data. Your apps are connected, but Integrately doesn't know what data goes where until you tell it. Imagine you are connecting a Google Mail to a Google Sheet. You will see a list of fields from your Google Sheet on the right side. Things like name column, email column, and phone number column. On the left side, you have the data coming in from Gmail. All you do is click the empty box for name column and select the first name tag from your mails. You are essentially drawing a map for the data to follow. You only have to do this once. From now on, every time a new lead comes in, Integrately looks at this map and automatically routes the right data into the right columns. Now we arrive at the most crucial step in the whole process, mapping your data. Your apps are connected, but Integrately doesn't know what data goes where until you tell it. Imagine you are connecting a Google Mail to a Google Sheet. You will see a list of fields from your Google Sheet on the right side. Things like name column, email column, and phone number column. If you want to take your automations to the next level, Integrately has a suite of advanced tools built right into the automation builder. First, you aren't limited to just one trigger and one action. You can build multi-step automations. One trigger can fire off 5, 10, or 20 different actions in sequence. Next, we have routing and conditions. This allows you to build if/then logic into your workflow. Let's say you get a new lead. You can set a condition. If the lead's budget is over $10,000, route them down path A and send an urgent text message to your senior sales rep. If the budget is under $10,000, route them down path B and simply add them to a standard automated email sequence. Another incredibly powerful tool is data modifiers. Sometimes the data comes in messy. Maybe the names are all lowercase, or the date format is completely wrong for your region. Before passing the data to your action app, you can add a modifier step to capitalize the first letters, extract a specific word, or reformat the date so it perfectly matches your destination app. Finally, we have iterators. Sometimes a trigger doesn't just send one item. It sends a batch, like an invoice with 5 different line items. An iterator takes that bundle, separates it, and runs your action for each individual item in the list automatically, ensuring nothing gets missed. Before you finish, always click Test Automation. Integrately will send a piece of sample data through your workflow to make sure everything lands where it should. If it looks good, hit Turn On. Now, what happens if something breaks? Maybe your CRM server goes down for 10 minutes right when a lead comes in. Integrately has a built-in feature called Auto Retry. If an action fails due to a temporary glitch, the system will automatically try again for you. You can also monitor everything in the Task History tab. This acts as a master logbook, showing you every single time your automation ran, exactly what data was moved, and flagging any errors so you can easily fix them. You've connected your apps and mapped out your fields. Now, don't just hope it works. Know it works. Hit that Done. Let's test it button. Integrately will instantly run a live simulation to make sure your data flows perfectly and error-free before you ever go live. Clean, validated, and ready to roll. Test your workflow and turn on your one-click automation with confidence today. And just like that, you've mastered Integrately. You are now fully equipped to connect your apps and move data in true, live real-time. Head over to app.integrately.com right now, grab your unique webhook URL, and switch that automation map on.